Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this video are down in the description below. This overview reflects my personal experience using the tool. Today, we're diving into Outfy, a powerful social media promotion tool found at outfy.com. Outfy is designed to streamline and automate your social media marketing efforts, making it easier to reach a wider audience and boost engagement across various platforms. It offers a suite of features including automated posting, content curation, hashtag research, and analytics tracking, all aimed at maximizing your social media presence. One of its key strengths is its ability to schedule posts across multiple platforms simultaneously, saving you valuable time and effort. Outfy also offers a library of pre-designed templates and visuals that you can customize to match your brand identity. This makes creating visually appealing content quick and easy, even if you don't have advanced design skills. Another useful feature is Outfy's intelligent hashtag generator, which suggests relevant hashtags to increase the visibility of your posts. This can significantly expand your reach and attract new followers. The platform also integrates with a variety of popular social media networks, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and LinkedIn, ensuring comprehensive coverage for your social media campaigns. Beyond scheduling and content creation, Outfy provides valuable performance insights through its analytics dashboard. You can track key metrics such as post engagement, reach, and clicks, allowing you to refine your strategy and optimize your future content. This data-driven approach helps you understand what resonates with your audience and adjust your tactics accordingly. For businesses and individuals looking to enhance their social media marketing, Outfy offers a compelling solution. Its automation capabilities, content creation tools, and analytics features combine to create a comprehensive platform that can significantly elevate your social media game. Consider checking out outfy.com to explore its features and see how it can help you achieve your social media goals. Remember, a strong social media presence is essential in today's digital landscape, and Outfy can be a valuable asset in building and maintaining that presence.